Hello ladies and gentlemen, I'm Adrastor. In today's quick tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to fix Windows login screen doesn't loading. Like it take up 5 minutes or more to load it. It may cause by many different things, but what I didn't find any videos was it was %temp, file was nearly full. Technically there were too many files. So let's go to %temp, %file. Can do this with Windows Run, %temp, and enter. Here you can see there are just a few files, but when this problem was the biggest, it were millions, a lot, very many files here. Therefore, I can did what I just do here, like Ctrl A and delete, because there were too many files. And then how to fix it? With command line, it's a very powerful tool. Here's a video about the program that I didn't wrote. I just want to share why is it useful. You don't need to restart your PC as the video says. We hit Windows R, shell, startup, enter, and double click here. Here you can see it done, but it's optimal to put it in the startup menu. That was it, bye!